This is the Santa Fe Lionel train engine. I'm going to try to demonstrate how it moves backwards and forwards. So the engine does work. I don't know if the problem I'm having with it of not moving backwards immediately is due to a problem with the track or maybe the leads in the engine need to be cleaned off. I have checked the wheels in the engine. I don't see any chips there that might be causing that. I can show them to you. But somebody that knows how to fix things, or at least get it working better, can probably get this working perfectly.